Asha ma'am, Jha sir, they all are the strong pillars of the Jagriti. So without Jagriti cannot do anything. So I am very happy and very proud to see the performance of all students. So they have potential, they have talent, just they require the platform. So now we have decided to make a platform that they can show the best performance from each and every director. So many students they spoke very well, some were hesitating, but this is part and parcel. Because sometimes when you are going to speak anywhere, you must be hesitating. But hesitation is not a, you can say, your weakness. This is the, you can say, common phenomena. So now all participants they have proven that if they will get a chance, so they can change the Jagriti and they can make a positive Jagriti. So whatever we are facing the problem nowadays, some students they are not following rules and regulations. So the most important thing, school is done by discipline. If you are saying the good school and the average school, this is the major difference. So students they have to take responsibility themselves. Your parents are very good, your teachers are very good. Now you have to prove that you are also the same whatever your parents and your teachers. So my kind request to all nominated students, because only one student will be selected for the termination, so rest of the students, they will support them. After final selection, because students we will have meeting in noon and we will give the final tally of the winners on Monday assembly. So we will be designated by batches. After the white girl batches will be given to the selected student, and I hope all students will respect them if they will select it, and those are not selected, they will also support them. Do you promise? Yes. We are standing here because selection will be done by only one person, one student. The rest of the students they will support them. And I am very positive that the selected student they will give you the new path, they will give you the new message for your siblings also. Those are because you can become example for the junior students. They are studying in first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth classes. So they will also listen you carefully and they will follow the rules and regulations. You can become example for them. कहते हैं बड़ा भाई अगर डिसिप्लिन में होगा तो छोटा भी डिसिप्लिन नहीं होगा, वो फॉलो करेगा कि मेरा बड़ा भाई बहन कैसे करता है. तो होपफुली दिस इज द न्यू बिगिनिंग ऑफ Jagriti, and I want to share very big news for all Jagritians, because Jagriti has started in 1998. 28 years back, I started this school. So that was the dream of me that our school should be recognized from the CBSE. And we have been trying since, you can say, last 7 to 8 years. And by the blessing of God and help of all parents, we got success now. Now our school is upgraded by the CBSE up to 10th class. So class for all teachers and parents. This is a big news for every Jagritian.
This is the second period.
Now, when you will get scholarship in the 10th exam, your fellow students, they will be authentic by their geographies. So hope that we will also prove in CBSE that geography is the best. So maximum students, they will try to score good marks as well as the zonal activities now we are going to start. So head boy and head girl, house captain, house vice captain, boy and girl, they will be also selected. So this is a complete teamwork. This is not good that students are just listening. So now you have to be doer. Listening is very easy, and when you listen many things you can't do. So whatever you listen, try to do more. So this is a practical message for every student that if you decide, once you have decided, you can achieve it. Nothing is impossible. So 28 years back, whatever I had seen the dream come true. The dream comes true if you will put efforts 100% and honesty. ईमानदारी तरक्की का राज होती है, सभी जानते हैं, लेकिन कोई उसको पूरी तरह से फॉलो नहीं करता। इसीलिए फिर हम बार बार ईश्वर को, माँ बाप को, समाज को, सबको ब्लेम करते हैं। So I don't think so. Now we have to blame anyone. We have to prove that whatever our dream, so dream will come. So now the next dream, that is that each and every geographian should be at the top. With the academic result, physical fitness, you can say sports, and the social awareness. And the most important thing, that is the emotional health. आज बच्चों की इमोशनल हेल्थ धीरे धीरे कमजोर हो रही है। बच्चे माँ बाप से कम बात करते हैं, मोबाइल पे